The diamond core drill bit made of premium metal components and high-quality diamond grits. This premium core drill bit is produced specifically for wet drilling of concrete and reinforced concrete. This core drill bit allows easy and fast assembling to common fixed core or handheld drilling machines. The innovative design of this diamond core drill bit allows it high drilling performance while keeping a long lifetime. Whether you are a plumber, construction worker, or DIY enthusiast, this segmented core drill bit is made for you.